still a man. Guess you'll have to change your plans. I'm a rooster, just so you know. I decide which way I go. I'm a rooster, here to stay, straight up molded out of clay. I'm a rooster, standing true. Gotta keep it straight, stuck together like glue. I'm a rooster, I know my place. Got to keep my kids and keep my woman safe. The woman is the soul of a man, she's the soul of a man. She can keep it all together when you can. She's a spring from which I flow. Teach me many things I don't know, but I'm a rooster, and that's a fact. So now you know how I'm gon' act. I'm a rooster, full legit. Keeping it strong, but with true grit. Things get hard, you can't slip. Some talk tough, some talk quick. Only a punk would say that shit. And that's straight up country, y'all. Country boy.
Another late night, moving, rolling with the rooster, rolling with the rooster tonight. We rolling,
Oh yeah.
we rolling,
What you doing?
we rolling.
What you doing, girl?